Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to use Monday.com for event management. So if you want to manage an event and for that you need to use Monday.com, you just need to follow these video steps I'm going to tell you in this video and you will be good to go. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into Monday.com, and once when you're logged in, you'll be here at the home page. Now event management is something very important because you need a lot of factors involved in that: the RSVP, the planning phase, each and everybody involved in it, kind of collaboration between you and your team members. So this is something very crucial, and for that you need the best software that is going to help you in designing all that, and that place is actually Monday.com. So how can you manage an event here? I'm going to tell you right away. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to click on this plus icon, and then you have to go to board, and yes, new board. Custom, no, we need a template. Start with a template. Here you go. And here you have to write event management. Here you go. So this is the board that you're going to use. You can see these are all the templates that will be customized for you. So this is a very, I would say, in detail template. It will uh, design each and everything for you, even the smallest detail, the most minute detail that you can ever think of. It is going to be right here, and it's going to actually remind you that you should add this and you should add that. No matter how much detail it is going to be, it's going to be beneficial for you, because I know at the moment when you forget these minute details, it can turn, a mole into a hill. So that's why it's very important that you take care of every small detail when managing an event. So we're going to click here, use template. It's going to take some time. I've used other event management softwares. I've even tried to, do it on Excel and Word, but I would say hats off to Monday.com because they're the most, I would say, detailed software where you can, manage event. So this is the home page, and you can see this is our main board that we'll be working on, and they have many sub items or sub boards as well. This is the RSVP board. So this is the first time I'm working here and I'm seeing these subboards: event planning, checklist. So this is where all the notes will be written, and the checklist, the kickoff. You can just edit it and write things of your own to let your team members know, that this thing, it needs to be done as soon as possible, and you can just tick mark them, and the budget and the task. It's totally written here. You can also make a Gantt chart, and this Gantt chart will actually show you uh, your progress and the timeline of the event, when the kickoff will take place, and concept one and concept two, each and every single thing. Uh, Moving on, this is the event planning board, and you can plan the event right here. What's going to happen in the kickoff, what's going to happen in the session, and the vendors, they're going to be present there or not, what kind of vendors do we have, and what's the campaign that you'll be doing for the event. This is the RSVP side. Now this is also very important, this RSVP, because obviously when you're having an event, RSVP or chief guests are very important. So this section is going to deal with all that: the name of the RSVP, those who have registered. Now you'll have to send registration forms, and here it is. These are the registration forms that you're going to send to the RSVP candidates, and they're going to fill it and they're going to send it back to you. And thus, you're going to put them right here, and the company size, title, number, and all that. So this is how you actually uh, make an RSVP table right here, RSVP board, with the timeline as well. You're gonna also need a timeline when they're gonna confirm, and then you'll have to send them an event reminder. So this is how you actually make an RSVP board. There's also response viewer, that if anybody has response to your RSVP invitation or not. So very, I would say, useful, very useful. And these are the registration uh, information of all those who have registered. So this is something very amazing, I would say, very amazing. And this will be the event dashboard, the budget and the spend, and everything will be summarized here on this dashboard. So this is how you manage an event. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.